Creative leaders see opportunity to solve problems and imagine a world that others don't. The top 52 creative leaders. Innovation, vision, progressiveness, originality, and resourcefulness are all characteristics of successful creative leaders. Creativity was ranked the most important leadership quality for success in business. This is why here at Skilltivity, we have compiled and curated the top 52 creative leaders today.
Coming in at number 51 is Alexandr Wang for Scale AI. Alexandr Wang is on this list for bridging that gap between artificial intelligence and human performance.
So what we've done at Scale is built the data platform for AI. So AI is really built on top of data, and these algorithms require billions and billions of examples of labeled data to be able to perform in a safe or reliable way. So what we've done is built a platform that allows these companies to get the data they need to be able to build these algorithms in a safe and reliable way, and then they use the data to build their self-driving cars.
Now, is the work that you're doing going to improve the safety of self-driving cars? Because there's a lot of concerns about, how quickly they can come to market. Even if they work some of the time, it has to be perfect.
Yeah, it's actually, I think even further than that, the work we do is critical to building safe autonomous vehicles, for example, because without the data that we're able to provide to these companies, they actually wouldn't even be able to build algorithms that could perform in any manner that's safe or reliable.
So if there are thousands of human beings that are necessary to do this job now, in the future, how much of their work can AI really take on? Because it certainly seems that there's always going to need to be some sort of marriage between humans and technology. You can't eliminate humans altogether.
Yeah, I definitely agree with that. I think that AI is really about augmenting humans with technology and making them more effective and more efficient using technology. And in particular, I think for a lot of the problems that we work on, where AI plays a really critical role in self-driving or medical imagery, etc., you really want to make sure that humans are a part of the process to ensure that these systems are performing very safely and reliably.
I love what he did to bridge that gap. It's companies like Alexandr Wang's that are going to take AI to the next level. Thank you for watching Skilltivity's Top 52 Creative Leaders. And as you follow our curated list, I provided a resource for you. And it's to help you develop your own creative leadership skills. It's called The Ultimate Guide to Creative Leadership Success. And you can get it for free by clicking on the link below in the description of this video. Also, please subscribe to Skilltivity. We got videos coming, and you want to make sure to follow us as we keep going on this journey. Hit the bell to get notifications of new videos that come. Just know that Skilltivity, we're here to help you move forward in advancing your creative skills. We're always aiming for that. So, from me to you, from Carrington to you, see you soon.